If you're looking for a good scrub that will get rid of your dark spots, pimples, wrinkles, you want to try out this particular scrub. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Veet Gold Coconut Milk Whitening Body Scrub. So if you're interested in hearing my honest experience with this particular scrub, or you want to purchase this particular scrub, then you want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be telling you guys what I like and what I don't really like about this particular scrub, and how to actually use it to achieve a clear glowing skin. So the name of the product I'm going to be talking about in this video is called Veet Gold Coconut Milk Whitening Body Scrub. So this is what the scrub actually looks like. It's a 600-gram scrub and it comes in this plastic transparent container. It have a double lid. If you take out this particular cover, there's another cover inside. Like that particular cover prevents the product from getting to the main or outer cover. So now let's see what the product inside actually looks like. So if you take a look at the product, this is what the product actually looks like. It's right here, like, can you guys see? Have a creamy texture like a lotion. Like the only difference between this and your regular body lotion is just the fact that it contains these small tiny particles that you can actually feel when you're rubbing it on your skin. Like the particles in this is just super tiny, like those particles. So the fragrance of the it actually smells like coconut oil. I'm not a big fan of the fragrance though. So now let's take a look at the ingredient list. What this particular Veet Gold Coconut Milk Scrub is actually made of. So taking a look at the ingredient list, it actually contains water, mineral oil, walnuts, shea powder, hexadenoic acid. Like another name for this particular acid right here is palmitic acid. And the main ingredient in this body scrub is actually coconut milk. So I'll put the list of the ingredients on the screen for you guys so that you can take a proper look at it. So on the body here, this Veet Gold Coconut Milk Scrub actually promises a whole lot of things. It says that it's 100% natural organic coconut milk whitening scrub. Visibly works on dark spots, body odor, pimples, acne and wrinkles. So those are the major promises of this particular body scrub. So now I'm going to be telling you guys what my encounter was with this particular scrub. So I'm going to be starting off with what I like, then move over to what I don't like about this scrub, and then show you guys pros and cons on how to use this body scrub. So first things first, so the first thing I actually like about this particular product is just the packaging. Like the packaging is very nice. The fact it comes in a plastic container, and the fact that it also contains two cover, so you're not going to be scared of this product breaking or not. Like the packaging is so simple and nice. So another thing I actually love about the scrub is the texture. Like I love the texture and consistency of this Veet Gold Coconut Milk Whitening Body Scrub. It's super gentle on the skin. Like with this particular Veet Gold body scrub, you barely know you are applying a scrub on your skin. It's more like a cream, so you will not even know you are applying anything on your skin. It's not harsh in any way. It feels like your regular body lotion with a touch of dust or tiny granules. So another thing I love about the scrub is the way it applies on the skin. Like whenever I'm scrubbing my body with this particular scrub, I barely know I'm scrubbing my body, but after scrubbing my skin, rinsing it off, like my skin feels super soft, smooth, like it has that baby tender feel. So this particular scrub is super effective when it comes to removing dead skin cells from your skin. Like it instantly glows your skin and smoothens out your skin. And I love the fact that whenever I use this scrub to scrub my skin, like, my skin does not feel dry after scrubbing. This particular body scrub is so moisturizing on the skin, and that, I think, is due to the hexazonoic acid in it, and that is your palmitic acid, which is an emollient and a moisturizer. So what it actually does is to help lock in moisture into your skin by forming a protective layer on the skin. So this acid is also good in getting rid of blemishes. So this particular scrub is very effective when it comes to getting rid of black spots, acne, and pimples. Like, the coconut milk in this particular scrub is super active, and we all know that coconut milk is an antioxidant and is also anti-inflammatory and a great source of vitamin E. So it's very effective when it comes to treating pigmentation and brightening your skin, and it will also help you achieve a fairer looking skin by generating new skin cells faster. So the fact that this particular scrub contains coconut milk makes it very nice. Like, it smoothens out your skin and it gives you that supple instant feel. So if you're someone battling with acne, pimples, black spots, you should basically give this particular scrub a try. It's going to help fade away your pimples and dark spots, and it's also very good when it comes to treating any form of aging signs on your skin. Like, it's going to smoothen out your wrinkles and fine lines. So this particular Veet Gold Coconut Milk Scrub is super amazing. Like, you need to give this a try if you're battling with aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines on your skin. It's going to help smoothen that out. And this particular scrub is also very effective in getting rid of your acne, pimples, and black spots on the skin. So it all requires consistency. So if you're consistent with this particular scrub, you're going to see amazing results. Like, it brightens the skin and whitens the skin with consistent use. So all you have to do is to scrub your skin with this particular Veet Gold Coconut Milk Whitening Body Scrub. Like, this particular scrub is not meant for your face, it's meant for your body, but you can get away with using this on your face, but it's specifically meant for your body. So it's a really nice, amazing scrub to use on your body. All you have to do is to use this Veet Gold Coconut Milk Scrub to scrub your body in the shower, and you're going to love your skin. Like, your skin is going to feel super soft, smooth, and you're going to love it. This is a very nice scrub to use on your skin. So all you have to do is to use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week to scrub your body. And when it comes to scrubbing your skin, you want to scrub your skin right in the shower. Like, lather your body with water and soap, and then go on to apply your body scrub. You're going to love this on your skin. You're going to love the feel of your skin after scrubbing your body with this particular Veet Gold Coconut Milk Whitening Body Scrub. It's a really nice, amazing body scrub to use, and it's sold at the price of 2,200 naira at Roban stores. It can be less, it can be more, depending on your location. So yeah, that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.